So this video today is going to be kind of more around Xact Wallet and what it can really do for our community. The Xact Wallet is more than a wallet, and I don't think people can really understand that right now because they can only see what they see with face value, which is it just being just a wallet, with all the other functions not being fully operable. But in such a little time, they've achieved so much. So I really want to focus on this today. So let's get right into it. So it is built for the Hedera network. And it's made to control all your assets and honestly just manage and preview your NFTs. So all your non-fungible tokens, everything that you've been collecting so far that's been available and pretty much compatible with the Xact wallet, you probably have already seen by now. And if you haven't, you should download this Xact wallet if you're part of the community or starting up. This is going to be a great thing to have in the future. So they are also working on secure connections to Hedera Hash Graph DApps. And if you don't know what DApps are, it just stands for decentralized applications. And those are pretty much tools that make the user experience way better. So that's going to be really awesome. So the product manager, his name is Baptiste. Shout out to you. I see you everywhere in the Discord. You're a very interesting character, and I would love to learn from you. And I do learn from you. So he works for Xact. He's a French product manager, really very smart, intelligent person. So this is how it started. So it started with Baptiste and I guess some other engineers starting up another project before they started on Xact. It was an application to tokenize luxury projects, diplomas, and etc. And then they realized they needed a wallet. So they needed a wallet for this, and these savages ended up designing an Xact wallet for the Hedera network, and it's going to be more than a wallet, and we're going to get right into that. So they created Xact and they released it to the community, guys. So the biggest feature on this wallet is going to be to connect to DApps. So these pretty much these tools that give you a better user experience. That's going to be the very simplified way of putting it for now. And it's going to be DApps based on Hedera, but they will provide solutions for developers to integrate Xact Wallet to their application, like Wallet Connect did for other applications. So check this out. If you don't know what Wallet Connect is, we'll get right to it real quick. So pretty sure it's an open source application. So it's an open source protocol for connecting decentralized applications to mobile wallets with QR code scanning or deep linking. So very fast transactions and very secure transactions, guys. Very neat. Okay. Now, the great thing about that is that can go into a lot of different directions, and we're going to talk about that just right now. So another thing is, so you can also pretty much interface to their Hashgraph user accounts securely without asking for a private key. So it's honestly, they're really just focused on integrity and security, guys. They're big on that. They're really trying to follow the rules and really be a part of this movement because they really share the same vision as us at the end of the day, right? So another thing here is Xact is here to provide solutions for the marketplace. They provide developers with ways to integrate the wallet so that users can buy NFTs directly online. And also, they soon are going to make the option, well, not the option, but the ability to make bids on NFTs. And you can already transfer an associate token. So this is going to be very exciting, right? They also do third-party DApps so that developers can get on the mainnet on Hedera. They provide developers with a payment pretty much marketplace solution, right? And it's going to be super secure because that's what they're focusing on. If you notice here, the web app, it's not up. That's because the web protocols, they're really trying to crack that down and make it super secure, right? So it is a non-custodial wallet again. So the private keys are in the device. That's pretty much what that means. So you create your Xact wallet on your iOS or Android device. Your private keys are generated on your device, and that's it. You're the only one who has it. So do want to note again, they are focused on integrity and security. So this is a very great project here, guys, and it's actually still currently in open beta with a lot of users stacking up NFTs. And one thing to note is that GoMint and Xact did work together in the beginning, so it's going to be very interesting to see what's going on here. So I'm going to show you some DApps on their hash graph here. So they have SageWise. SageWise is building a smart contract SDK that enables contracts to be stopped when any dispute arises. Guys, that is going to be insane because once that can be implemented into a lot of these developers' code, it can allow just ease, because like it can ease of mind or peace of mind between the developer, customer service, and the consumer, because the consumer knows where their transaction is going and they can see it on the mainnet already and do something about it. So it's going to be very exciting to see this DApp be implemented on the Xact wallet. It's definitely going to be there in the future. We're going to see what's going to happen with this big update coming up, right? So there's some more here, of course. So Alto.io is a decentralized gaming platform that allows users to mint, sell, and use crypto items on Hedera Hash Graph. Now that is going to be great. So we're going to start seeing a lot of gaming projects on Hedera Hash Graph pop up as well. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's flip our NFT bags and hop into these gaming universes as well. So let's see what's going on here. So of course, GoMint, guys. GoMint is going to be very interesting platform. I have some things to say about GoMint as well. HGraph Punks, guys. October 23rd is going to be their first drop, guys. So that's available to the public. So make sure you guys are staying tuned because this is going to be a great project. And something to note here, guys. So for Xact, right before I speak more on HGraph Punks, right, for Xact, one of their solutions, right, was called Xact Checkout, right? So with Xact Checkout, you can connect your wallet with Xact Wallet and list your NFT for sale. Guys, that's going to be insane for the Hedera community, right? You can sell your NFT directly by sending a checkout page powered by Xact slash Hedera, right? You can do this is going to be insane, all right? You can place this link on any social media platform as well. So if you want to post it on your Twitter and sell your gremlin, you can sell your gremlin, you can sell your freaking drop 0 set 0 HGraph Punk, set 1 drop 1 HGraph Punk. Those are going to be sweet real fast, I'm telling you. It's going to be great. So this is going to be great to see everything just roll into action here. And it's going to be amazing. Xact is also working on tools for developers, creative tools. So they're working on randomized giveaways for their community, for developers communities. So it's going to be amazing. And then of course they're going to allow creating NFTs with royalties as well. So it's going to be quite interesting. And all this information is from Baptiste himself. Sorry for the mess up on the name. You are amazing. But I'll post the podcast in the description so that you guys can give it a listen to below, so that you know that this is not just a bunch of bullshit. This is facts. Xact Wallet is going to be one of the leading pioneers in this movement, Goman as well, and HGraph Punks being the first forte. You can't forget them. All right, you can't forget HGraph Punks. HGraph Punks is going to be big as well. There are a lot of other great collectible companies starting up as well, but I have a special connection with HGraph Punks because they were here first. So a great thing that I also want to pop out here if do you know Jordan Frida's NFT.com, chairman and CEO, Mutable Holdings, right? Parent company of NFT.com, 1-800-BITCOIN, CBDC.com, HBAR.com. Check out this video real quick.
What we hope to achieve, what our vision is that Hedera as a platform is self-service. You actually don't have to talk to anybody to use the platform. There's no license required. The code base is completely transparent, open review with version 1 of the platform. And what we're building is a suite of self-serving tools and resources to be able to create an account on the platform once we release the testnet to the market, and to be able to start making API calls to the network using the native platform token.
Guys, he left Hedera and eventually bought NFT.com. So just understand that this is going to be a very big space in the future. This is the greenest DOT. So before you go, of course, Access guys, I want to apologize to my Access community for saying VCCESS. I'm gonna stop my ways. So I'm only gonna say Access now, and we're gonna be waiting for that airdrop, guys. I know you seen that Kryptonite. Looks like they deleted the tweet. Maybe I'm wrong, but stay tuned. Leave a like and subscribe if it helped, and y'all have a great night/day.